Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see two different collections. The first one is a IKKAT with a side contrast. We have three different colors in this, and the second design is a 1000 putta handloom soft silk sarees. In this, we have two different colors. So we are going to see all these sarees in this video. Before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. So now let's see each sarees. This is the first saree, IKKAT design, a rich pallu in gold zari, and all over the saree you have a beautiful IKKAT design. With one side you will get a contrast border. In that you have a 240 design, two different designs. One is a temple motif and another one is a mango motif. Both are 240 big design. You will get a contrast blouse. This is the back side of the saree. So as you can see, the top you will have a zari border. Bottom side alone you will get a side contrast in blue color. In that you have a big 240 motifs. This is the next color. A Rama green with navy blue combination. A rich pallu in gold zari. All over the saree you have a beautiful IKKAT design. With one side you will get a big contrast border in 240 designs. This is the back side of the saree. So all these sarees are double up sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. The design comes all over the saree. And next is a beautiful peach with navy blue combination. So if you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can share the screenshot and you can book with us in WhatsApp. A very beautiful color combination, a peach with navy blue combination. All these sarees are double up sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified. And next is a 1000 putta collection. First is a peacock blue with red combination, a rich pallu in gold zari, and all over the saree you have a 1000 putta in gold zari. As you can see, a small puttas which comes all over the saree, which is woven closely. So you will get this design all over the saree. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the puttas comes all over the saree. As you have many puttas, this design is called as a 1000 putta. And next is a mustard with red combination. This is also a double up saree, comes with a SILKMARK certified. So please do WhatsApp us for booking. We are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it. Please do book your saree. Please do share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Thank you.